buildings. They were 150 years old and they were half abandoned when Ben Thompson's eye fell in love with them in the 1960s. What he saw in these market rows was an old idea of city bustle to be combined with new money and modern mall merchandising. It wasn't really restoration, it was recycling, putting old materials to new uses.
And the variety of the market, the variety of all these push carts, all these guys are selling different things. They're all independent, and they're all striving in their own right to have their own little business. And so that's very nice.
We also have a cup of coffee.
Have you got...
Probably just about when you were born, Ben Thompson was designing this thing.
Have you got a cold cappuccino?
Before Quincy Market, there was just one outdoor cafe in all of Boston on Newbury Street. A lot of people had told Ben Thompson that Bostonians really didn't like to eat.
What do they call that?
But
well, I'm
I think
for your reaction.
20 years ago, I think people had lost any confidence that this sort of vitality could be reclaimed.
Well, I think that's true. I think we provided a place that made people feel secure. It had color. It had some authenticity historically. It was in the downtown, and it brings confidence back as being a place to go, a place to meet people, and just a place to kind of look around and be happy and take your friends to and all that sort of thing.